Okay, so these are going to be the solutions for questions 16, 17, and 18 from chapter 12, which were homework for March 18th. And hopefully you did these. If you didn't get a chance to do them or you felt stuck, follow along. If you did do them, follow along. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So this first problem is question 16 from 395. And the question says, how many grams of nitrogen dioxide must react with water to produce 5 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of nitrogen monoxide? So the first thing that we have here is a balanced equation, which is our first step, okay? It's already done for us, the balanced equation. The second thing that we want to do in our steps is figure out what we're given, which in this problem we're given 5 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of nitrogen monoxide, and what we're trying to get is X grams of nitrogen dioxide. So what we're trying to do is figure out what this is, okay? The third step is to set up our grid, okay? So we are going to start with what we're given. Okay, so we have 5 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of nitrogen monoxide, okay? And if we look at our double mole map, okay, we start here with representative particles, and we are going to moles of A. So we're going to have 1 mole over our representative particles, okay? Oops. So I have 1 mole over 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. I realize now that that's missing from the double mole map. I'll have to go add that. So now that we're at moles of nitrogen monoxide, and I want to make sure that I don't have any naked numbers, and you can see that my units of molecules cancel out. Now I need to use the coefficients for my mole ratio. This third part is going to be my mole ratio. Okay, and my mole ratio looks at the coefficients in front of the reactants and products in my equation. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first look at nitrogen monoxide, which you see that there's nothing in front of that. So I have 1 mole of NO because there is no number in front of nitrogen monoxide, so I know that that's just 1. And then 3 moles of nitrogen dioxide. And again, I get those because of the coefficients that are in front of my reactants and products in the balanced equation. So now I am at moles of nitrogen dioxide, and I need to go to grams. So again, if I didn't know where to go, I can look at my double mole map, and I'm at moles of B now, and I want to get to mass. So I'm going to have molar mass over moles of B. Okay, so I'm going to have my molar mass, which I'm going to have to calculate, over 1 mole of nitrogen dioxide. So my molar mass, molar of nitrogen dioxide, I have 1 nitrogen plus 2 oxygens. So that's 14 plus 32, which equals 46 grams per mole. So I'm going to put 46 grams here. Okay. Now my step 4 is to plug and chug. So I have 5 times 10 to the 22nd divided by 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd times 3 times 46. Okay? So you're just going to have to wait while I do that in my calculator. 5 times 10 to the 22nd divided by 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd times 3 times 46. And what I'm getting here is 11.46 grams of nitrogen dioxide. That's the answer to number 16.